gonna do some mountain biking today.
Kevin's cute ass is getting pose. Getting pose. Oh, ho, ho.
Better.
I like you on YouTube. How the fuck? Sprint! Ah, fuck. Dude, there's a boat, the trampoline. Oh, I'm out.
A few moments later.
Words after the jump.
Sit here like a bitch.
That's it. So, we just had a nice little break. Super scenic spot right here. Unbelievable.
The first stop of the day.
First stop of the day. Certainly not the last, but man, just appreciate life. So, we just got done our first trail. And
We did.
I'll say
it live.
barely got done the first trail.
I stopped 10 times.
Yeah.
It's not a real mountain biking thing.
I didn't mean it that we successfully completed it. I just said we just did it. It's terrible, you know. I stopped a million times, but we're gonna keep going. On to the next trail. On to the next trail. Might be even worse. I might do even worse. I doubt it though. I've learned a lot. I have two mentors here teaching me. You can show the camera to yourself and to Kevin. And we're gonna get it, you know. Just because you suck doesn't mean you stop trying. Exactly. Fast is quick for me. Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Now a quick outro by yours truly.
Let me in, I'm trying to fuck.